Hey guys, this is the second tutorial in my programming series in Python. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about some stuff. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do, open up the main.py file that we created recently and in the last tutorial. And what we're going to do, we're going to type some code here. Now, copy the code that I type here, and I will explain to you what it does shortly. First of all, what you're going to do, press this little thing here, and we're going to type in console. There. Alright, so we have this console right up here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to just copy the code that I typed, just one line. I'm going to type the word print, and then in here we're going to put open, close quotation marks, and we're going to type in hello world. Command S to save that. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to right click on our main.py, and we're going to click run. And we're going to get out hello world, and there's your very first program. So now I'm going to explain to you what this does. I think you may have figured this out, because it's pretty simple. You notice the same thing that we put in here showed up here. So print means, when you ever type print, it is a function that you always put the syntax for print. Syntax means like the way code is typed. You put the word print, two open close parentheses, and you put in a string. Now a string is a line of code that is in quotation marks. Make sure they're double quotation marks. That's how Python recognizes it as a string. You can put anything in here, and it will not give you any errors. But notice, if I take away that, we have a little error thing up here, and if we run the code, it gives us an error here. Alright. Now, the print functions, obviously, what it does, it prints something out to the console. Put hello world, you could put hello world. So yeah. Now I'm going to teach you about another thing called variables. A variable, the syntax for a variable, you type whatever you want to name your variable, so I'm going to call it first var variable. And then what you do, you put an equal sign, and then another space, equal sign, space. And then you can set, for now I'm going to tell you two different things you can set your variable to. You can set it to a string, and you can also set variables to numbers. 29. So, if I say print, I now make sure, if you're going to print a variable out, do not put in quotation marks, because then it will not recognize it as a variable. So we're going to put in print first var, and you're going to put in what you want to print out. Second var. Now if we run this bit of code, we get hello. Since the first print statement is first var, we print hello printed out. Second print statement is print second var, get 29, and we get it in that exact order. Hello, 29. So, coding is essentially telling a computer to do stuff. Some of it you can tell the computer to do advanced stuff, you can tell the computer to do easy stuff like this. You are literally, when people see code, their immediate reaction is sci-fi movies and things like that. But coding really is not hard, and people should really know that. And the more people that knew that, the better the place the world would be, because people would get more jobs and create new ideas, and the world would just be a much better place. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I suggest you practice with this a bit until you move on to the next tutorial. Make programs like this, guess what they do, even though you know what they do. Think that way and you'll be all set. Alright, thanks guys, see you next time.